In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make mind maps for free using Canva. If you are new to mind mapping, think of it as a visual way to organize ideas, plan projects, or study topics. By breaking information into branches that are easy to understand at a glance, we'll keep this simple, practical, and completely free. Start by opening Canva. In the search bar at the top, type mind map or mind map templates. You'll see thousands of options appear. This is a great moment to think about your purpose. Are you mapping a study topic, brainstorming a project, or outlining a presentation? Skim the previews and look for a layout that matches how you think. Some are radial, some are linear, and some combine both. When you pick a template, make sure it's free. In Canva, items marked with a small crown icon are pro, so avoid those if you want to keep everything at no cost. Click a design you like and open it. You can always change colors, fonts, and layout later, so don't worry about getting it perfect now. To customize, click on any text box and edit the labels to match your topic and subtopics. Keep your main idea front and center, then branch outward with supporting points. If you need more nodes, go to the Elements tab and add shapes for new branches. Drag them into place and keep spacing comfortable so the map remains readable. Simple, consistent colors help separate categories. Use bold for main topics and regular text for details, and aim for short phrases rather than long sentences to keep things scannable. Next, connect your ideas. In the Elements tab, search for lines or arrows and place them between nodes. Adjust the thickness and style so they're clear but not distracting. Keep your connections consistent, either all straight lines or all curved lines to create visual cohesion. For faster building, right-click any shape and enable the Quick Flow feature. This lets you quickly add connected nodes without manually placing every line, which is perfect when you are brainstorming and want to maintain momentum. When you are happy with the layout, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right. Then download. Choose the file format that fits your needs: PNG for crisp images, JPG for smaller file sizes when sharing, or PDF if you plan to print or include the map in documents. Give your file a clear name and save it somewhere you'll remember. That's it. Thanks for watching.